Hello everyone, I am Ajit. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the next exercise of the chapter real numbers. In the second exercise, first question is to express each number. They have given some numbers. Each number we have to express as the product of its prime factors. 140 I have to express as the product of its prime factors. So before that, let's understand what is prime number. Prime number, as we all know, that the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So these are the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. So these numbers, they are divisible by only 1 and itself. So these numbers we call as prime numbers. Now we have to express this 140 as the product of these numbers. How we do it? We follow this procedure. 140 will write. Now first we will check whether 140 is divisible by the first prime number, which is 2. If it is divisible, we will write, otherwise we will go to the next number and we will follow that. So first we will not try with 5, 140 is divisible by 5, but we will not try with 5. First we will go with 2, next 3, in ascending order we will try. So 2 7s are 14, 2 zeros are 0. Again we will try with 2 only. If it is not divisible by 2, then only we will try with the next prime number. So since 70 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 35 is not divisible by 2. So we'll go with the next prime number, which is 3. Is the 35 divisible by 3? No. Next 5. 5 if we try, 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. So, and we will stop here because we got here 7 as a prime number, so we will stop here. 140 can be written as the product 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So this is how we will write 140 as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. That means we have expressed the given number as the product of prime factors. These are our prime numbers. We have expressed 140 as a product of prime factors. We will try the second problem. This can also be written as 2 into 2. We can group it. So we will write in exponential form 2 square into 5 into 7. Next question is 156. 156. 156 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1, 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 78 is an even number, so 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 18, 2 9s are 18. Now 39 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will go with next prime number, which is 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So here 13 is a prime number, so we will stop this procedure. So we can write 156 as 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 into 13. So all these are 2 is a prime number here, 3 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. So we have expressed the given number as a product of prime factors. This can also be written as 2 square into 3 into 13. So this is how we will solve. We will first express this in terms of prime numbers, and the procedure is we will go in ascending order with the help of prime numbers. Now we will solve third question, which is 3825. So we will follow the same procedure. 3825 3825 is not an even number, it is not divisible by 2. So we'll try with next number 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, remainder is 2, 22, 3 sevens are 21, remainder is 1, 15, 3 fives are 15. Again this we will try with 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6, remainder is 1, 15, 3 fives are 15. So we know that divisibility from the divisibility tests, if we add 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, which is not divisible by 3. So we will go with next prime number, which is 5. So since the last number, if the last number is 5 or 0, that is units digit is 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. 5 eights are 40, remainder is 2, 25, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 ones are 5, remainder is 3, 35, 5 sevens are 35. So 17 is a prime number, so hence we will stop this. We can write as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, or this can be written as 3 square into 5 square into 17. So in this way we will solve this. I hope all of you understood this. Thank you all for watching.